Installing the EV-IQ 7 Pro. Firstly, connect the CT clamp to the mains feed between the electric meter and consumer unit. Make sure the arrow on the clamp is pointing to the consumer unit. Then connect your 6mm cable to a 32A MCB or RCD in the consumer unit. Run the 6mm and CT cables to the location of charger. This actual example is in a garage. To second fix the charger, drill 4 holes using the backplate of the charger as a location guide for the holes. Bolt the backplate to the wall using the 4 bolts supplied, and fix the charger to the backplate by using the 2 screws located underneath it. To terminate the charger, remove the side plate, and connect the CT cable to the detachable connector on the right. And then plug in. Connect your 6mm cable to the AC input connector on the left. And then replace the cover. Once power is going to the charger, flick the RCBO switch on. And then close the RCBO cover. As soon as the EV-IQ is powered up, the EV-IQ logo on the front of the charger will illuminate. All you need to do now is register the charger. By typing InstallerMiles on your phone's App Store, or scanning the QR code on the information pack in the EV-IQ box. Open the app, and click Start. Click on EV-IQ and select the model. Scan the QR code on the side of the charger and click Confirm. Now click on the Load Management tab. Here you can configure your charger output, load management and CT clamp settings. We recommend that the charger output is 32 amps, load management is turned on, and the connection type is CT clamp. Click Save to save these settings. Now click Network Setup. As there will be no Wi-Fi connection on site, you will need to turn the Wi-Fi off and click Save. Click Connect. Click Join, and wait up to a minute, and your EV-IQ charger is connected. Installation is now complete. The EV-IQ will now make a beeping noise. For any further support with the EV-IQ, contact one of the team.